tiles that bring warmth and natural feel, tiles that can match any style, tiles that are perfect for indoor and outdoor use. We've got you! Welcome to Talent Bath Inspirations! When thinking about this and how we can design our space and to bring nature inside, using rock and stone design tiles are always on top of the lists, and they can never go wrong. Rock and stone are special that it creates beauty and texture. It can go well with woods, and they are perfect for contemporary, rustic, modern, or traditional spaces. Now elevate your design by using modular package from Codicer, Sanford Gray, Sienna Beige, and Bluestone. These are matte porcelain tiles that have set of 3 different sizes where you can create many unique layout patterns. Indoor or outdoor use, these are the great choices for you. And get more real and natural with Luxe and Adam's Spanish Tiles collection of porcelain stone design tiles. Each design captivates the real color of rock and stone, making your space look stunning. Keep in mind that rock and stone design tile brings the beauty of nature inside your home. Shop at any CW Home Depot branch and Cebu Home and Builders, or you may check our website at talentbathinspirations.com.ph.